Morning team, it's Tuesday, September 3rd. Okay, another day where I overslept, but as I told you, it's the end of the season for me and my body is asking me to rest because I'm working too much, or a lot at least. So I don't stress out and I accept the trading hours I have available, and I don't rush into trades. Yesterday I took 0 trades. And now we go to charts and explain you why. So first of all, let's see news. It's nothing happening in the morning. At least it's bank holiday, but doesn't mean that you cannot get in a trade. The real news is today. Yes, I think also these calendars have left nothing, basically. Yeah. Anyway, let's go back to high time frame. Yesterday, I said, let's go to the other one. I say this is either this is not a raid or a BMS yet, because it was not clear. And in the end, it was a raid. I say that this is not the cleanest BMS nor the cleanest raid. So then in the end, bears were still in control and they took off. They took down. Okay. I said also that if we start to break these and these, was game over for bulls, and indeed that what happened. Problem is that I couldn't get in any shorts around here because hourly was still up, and I don't know, the only clean shorts that they offer was about here, and there was not a charts anymore. I can show you the one I am talking about that I like. This one was the one I liked. My perfect play was here, this one. And you see that they curve it down here. This is what I love to see. So this one was then tested. Something like that. This was my perfect short. But happened when it was like 3, 4, 4 p.m., 5 p.m. and there was not a charts anymore. So this is it. Until here I didn't see not even one clean opportunity for my trading plan, so I don't have any regrets from yesterday. Okay, but let's go back to item frame. So, okay. So for now, they just went down, okay? Disregarded completely the little rally, closed daily below previous swing. Everything is pointing down right now. Even hourly, everything. There is not even one time frame that does look slightly bullish right now, not even H1. That said, I'm not a big fan of keep shorting to infinite just because it looks bearish. I always try to look as a pull, so some sort of a pullback, like the one that is happening now. Technically, I would like if they manage to push a little bit more. Something like this would be amazing. This is a big breaker. This is a big breaker because that you would love them to come here in the region of the move, but if price is bearish, they don't have to. So if they manage to pull back above the 50% in this area, I would be super happy to find for a short, and probably even hold. But yeah, they can easily keep dumping here. I just don't feel so shorting right now here. I don't feel so. I don't feel comfortable myself. Let me explain you why. Let's go to low time frame. I think I've marked out one of these. Okay, this is something I do. You don't need to do it, but whenever price kind of slow down or stop the rally or the dump, I always go on the left and try to understand why. And I was scrolling on the left, scrolling. Okay, we took this liquidity, now we took this liquidity, and we kind of stopped into this bullish origin untested from December, okay, from last year. Imagine it's almost a year old, but this origin was not tested. You see, price took off, never came back into this origin, and then keep going. Of course, I will never ever take a trade based on a 1 year old candle, okay, or 2 month old for what I care. But I like to see why they stopped the price here, and now they're kind of stopping the price. So for me, it makes sense, especially when it's overextended. Anyway, why I'm saying this? Because I don't know, at least on low time frame right now is printing higher high and higher lows, and when it's like that, I don't short blindly, okay? I'm not allowed to short anymore when I start to print higher high and higher lows. So yeah, that's why I said I don't feel comfortable to short blindly, keep shorting blindly. I would like them to pull back a little bit. As I said, I want some hourly sponsorship. Well, honestly, this one too is an hourly sponsorship. They can easily dump it here, because look, this is the previous low. Price came here, slow down, so it's a breaker, okay? Slow down, spend 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. Finally, somebody, this big green candle, send it down, create an imbalance, and yes, this is also valid hourly sponsorship. If we get here and I see bearishness or distribution, I'm allowed to short. But right now where we are, I won't go short, okay? Here, no, not myself, because we are breaking M15 swing high. You know how much important is for me is with M15, so yeah, I don't want to short right now, unless I see again them to shifting M15 down, and then I'm allowed to short again. So yeah, that's enough for me for today. As I said, I'm looking for a little pullback to resume shorts. Am I allowed to long? Yes. Right now I will kind of be allowed to long, at least I'm waiting for the H1 BMS. Let me see. No, not really. I don't feel like longing, but yeah, I can see a long in this area. Totally. As always, I will post more charts later until I'm charts, and then when I get busy and you don't see me anymore, it's because my work took over. Okay, that's enough for me for today, guys. Yeah, something else I wanted to tell. Yesterday in the end played out the market maker sell model. I wish I've seen before. I didn't know that it was like that, but yes, accumulation, more accumulation, reversal, distribution, and finally they went down. Okay, speak to you tomorrow, guys. Bye.